Hello everyone, welcome back to our advanced Excel channel. Today I'm gonna show you the trick how to wrap the text in Excel. As you can see that the words written here in this column are cut down by the words written here. So how can we adjust these words? First of all, we can adjust these words manually. So just follow out my steps. First of all, I will select all the words I want to adjust. Then I go into the Home tab and then from here I will press Wrap Text. As soon as I have pressed Wrap Text, you can see that the words are adjusted automatically. Now we are moving towards the shortcut of the video. We can also wrap text without going into the Home tab and then pressing Wrap Text. So the shortcut to wrap the text without going to the long method is we will select all the text I want to wrap and then I will press Alt H W. As soon as I will press Alt H W, you have seen that Excel has adjusted the text automatically. So the shortcut to wrap the text in Excel is Alt H W. Subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.